Shannon. He's been in the cleaning business for over 30 years, carpets, tile, grout. So question is, portable or truck mounts? What do you prefer?
Definitely truck mount.
Why?
A lot more power, a lot more suction, better heat exchangers, better vacuum power, everything, all the way around. I mean, don't get me wrong, they make some good portables, but you just can't beat a good truck mount.
Right. When it comes to artificial grass, because how thick it is, do you still prefer a truck mount over a portable unit?
Always, every day. You know, at the end of the day, there's always going to be someone that comes involved that tells you they can do it for $10, but you're never going to get the quality that you are over someone that's got the right gear.
All right, guys. Brian Leach here with Surprise Carpet Cleaning. They clean professionally carpet, tile, grout, you name it. Question is, do you prefer a portable unit or truck mounted cleaning system?
Absolutely truck mounted. Great. The heat, the PSI, the CFMs, there's just no comparison to a portable.
Awesome. And as far as artificial grass goes, you being a professional cleaner, common sense wise, you know what anything. Carpet being thinner and turf being a lot thicker, probably the portable units have no chance to extract out a dog heat.
Absolutely not. They just don't have the blowers. They don't have the suction power, the CFMs to get that back out.
Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And we've been in business since 2005. We're going on 20 years of building the finest truck mounts in the industry. And we are coming out with all kinds of different accessory lines. We have 8 different models. We believe in open concept. Open concept means easy breathe, easy maintenance, and long life to your components. So here we have a compact 45 that's going to be shipped very soon. And we really take a lot of pride in what we do. We use top components in the industry. We use the Kohler engines. We use the Honda Predator engines for the lower end machines, which can get you in at $10,000 or a little slightly higher than that. But we've dominated the industry with our heat exchangers. I would say that we would like to advertise our truck mounts as pressure washing, concrete, and tile and grout cleaning machines. And of course, you can do carpet cleaning. If you've got the pressure, you can, and the heat, you've got the carpet cleaning division as well for your company. So you're going to take in a lot of different types of business. You're not subject to just doing carpets. You can do high pressure applications because our coil system is 3,500 pounds pressure rated, heavy wall stainless. Access Point has been out for quite a number of years now. We've sold a couple thousand of these heaters, sold a lot of different types of heat exchangers for the coolant style, as well as the exhaust and blower style heat exchangers. We also sell to the Pro-Chem industry. So if you guys out there that have a Legend or a Trailblazer, Bruins Legend, whichever, we are the only ones in the industry that build this heat exchanger with this patented design. And you get a high quality, high level performance for the way that we build it. And it's long proven itself with the testimonials. Go on testimonials, check us out. We will help rebuild your truck mount in any sort of way that we can. Send us schematics, drawings. We'll help you along the way and being able to save a lot of money. But if you decide to get the Blue Baron truck mount with its open concept, its high performance, and its heating system, you will be very, very happy with the pricing. Our pricing is much different than other units. So you can check us out online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Call us today at 727-505-2989. We look forward to hearing from you.
Okay. Hey, this is Jack Myers, got a carpet cleaning business. We just installed this beautiful Blue Baron 47XL. Really happy. Pete does a great job. Listen, if you're looking for a carpet cleaning machine, this is it. You need to get this. Matter of fact, I got my first job on Saturday. $800 job. It's awesome. So listen, if you're looking, find this guy right here. He'll do you right.
Good afternoon. I am Bill from CJ's Carpet Cleaner, owner and operator. Here we have the Compact 45. What a great machine Pete Garland has built. It's got the 27 horsepower Kohler motor. We did a comparison about 3 or 4 days ago with a friend of mine that's got a 370 Sapphire. We ran the same temperature, except for on this one, I turned the temperature up. This machine had outperformed the Sapphire 370 so much that my friend is mad that he had bought a Sapphire instead of getting the Blue Baron Compact 45. Great machine, great vacuum, great pressure, great heat. We also went and bought the accessory inline filter box that Mr. Garland has built. What a great accessory for the tank, especially at my age. We don't have to climb in the back to get to the basket anymore. We can do everything right here. Something gets clogged up with a customer losing anything, a chain, a bracelet, we're able to get it here than to climb in the back of the truck. Overall, the performance and the build of this machine, it's probably going to outlast me. We've been in business for over 20 years. Great product, quality work, great workmanship. He takes pride in his machines. When we pull up to a job, we open up the door to do an estimate. The customers are overwhelmed by the quality, the quietness of the machine. That's another big thing I didn't bring out earlier, but now I do. This machine is a lot quieter to the Avenger, the Sapphire, the Everest, and the ProChem Axis truck mount. Please come down and call Pete at Holiday, Florida, and see his fabrication shop and also his truck mounts. Thanks, Pete, for building a great machine.